Looking for a powerful drone that shoots stunning 4K video without destroying your budget? Please watch the full video to know which drone is the best in 2025. In this video, I'm counting down the top 5 best budget drones of 2025, perfect for beginners, travelers, and content creators who want premium features at an affordable price. We're starting from number 5 and ending with the best budget drone overall, so don't skip ahead. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Bwine F7 Mini. The Bwine F7 Mini is a lightweight, 249-gram FAA-exempt drone featuring 4K video, 8K photo capture, a 3-axis gimbal with EIS, and an impressive 96 minutes of total flight time. Product review. This drone delivers outstanding specs for its price. It's extremely beginner-friendly and offers long flight time, making it ideal for casual aerial photography and learning advanced flight modes. Product pros. Lightweight FAA-exempt design. 3-axis gimbal plus EIS stabilization. Long 96-minute flight time. Smart GPS modes like follow and waypoint. Number 4. Bwine F7 GB2 Pro. The Bwine F7 GB2 Pro comes with a 4K UHD camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 10,000 feet control range, and up to 75 minutes of flight time using 3 batteries. Product review. This drone is built for users who want stable, professional-looking footage on a budget. It handles wind well and offers smooth video thanks to its mechanical gimbal. Product pros. 3-axis gimbal stabilization, long-range transmission, GPS smart flight modes, great value for serious beginners. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE features a 4K EIS camera, brushless motors, GPS return to home, and up to 93 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. Product review. This is one of the best entry-level drones for beginners. It's easy to fly, very reliable, and offers excellent battery life for extended flying sessions. Product pros. Under 249 grams, no FAA registration. Long battery performance. Stable GPS flight. Beginner-friendly controls. Number 2. Bwine F7 GIM Pro. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro packs a 6K UHD camera, 3-axis brushless gimbal, 70 minutes of flight time, and a 10,000-foot digital FPV transmission range. Product review. If camera quality is your priority, this drone stands out. It's perfect for YouTubers and creators who want smoother footage and better color detail without paying premium drone prices. Product pros. 6K photo and 4K video support. True 3-axis gimbal. Excellent long-range transmission. Strong build quality. Number 1. Potensic Atom. The Potensic Atom is a lightweight, under 249-gram drone featuring a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K 30 FPS video, up to 96 minutes of total flight time, and an incredible 6-kilometer transmission range. Product review. This drone delivers the best overall balance of performance, camera quality, flight time, and price. It's perfect for beginners and advanced users who want cinematic footage without spending DJI-level money. Product pros. Best-in-class 3-axis gimbal. Smooth cinematic 4K video. Long total flight time. Compact, travel-friendly design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. If you're looking for the best budget drone in 2025, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal drone is the clear winner. It offers premium-level performance at a budget-friendly price. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and fly safe.